Indian cricket team said they are not prepared to be treated as animals in a zoo, where they have in quarantine in a hotel and 20,000 fans are coming to the grounds. And if it is applicable to the 11 players, why it is not applicable to the remaining 20,000 Australian fans? Sure, it was a controversy. If you are going to allow fans to come the grounds and enjoy the freedom, then ask us to perform to go back to the hotel and be quarantined. This is especially after we have been tested negative for the virus. And Indian players are saying, and even we have tested negative, and they are asking us to stay hotel, and we should not move on one floor to another floor, and we should not meet other team members as well. And as we discussed earlier, and Indian team is asking, we want to follow the same rules as every Australian citizen in the country. So if crowds were not allowed inside the ground, then it makes sense for them to ask us to quarantine inside the hotel. But if they are allowing the crowds to out inside the ground, and they are not allowing us to go outside or spend some time with the family, it's not at all correct. Australian management saying could not leave their respective floors. It means they should not leave their respective floors, and they should not with their teammates and even. Indian team are told by their medical team that would not be allowed to leave our respective floors in the hotel. The senior team management immediately said that these conditions were not acceptable for us. That's the last we heard about the matter. Source said we are not favor of hotel quarantine and being asked to stay confined indoors, especially at this stage of tour. We will follow all the protocols that are in the place by the government. If it means wearing mask while stepping out for the meal or completely avoiding red zones and the source said the players only went indoors to eat because it started raining. We don't understand why those 5 players need to be isolated or be asked to sit separately on the flight, especially after they have tested negative for the virus. And India spending a long periods inside the bubble in a quarantine like Indian players have over the past few months, and they also sacrificed so many things. And if after IPL almost 4 months they have played with the quarantine, then they directly came to Australia and almost 2 months back, and it's completely 6 months they are in a quarantine and they are missing their family, and team have done so many sacrifices. Muhammad Siraj not went to his father's funeral, and Natarajan not having seen his first child. And Indian players are directly saying we are quarantining for 14 days in Dubai before landing in Sydney and doing so for another 14 days. That means we are in a hot bubble for nearly a month before coming out. What we don't want now it is to quarantine again at the end of the tour. It's a very good initiative taken by Australia management and allowing fans to the stadiums, and it's like a restart. And why they are not allowing Indian players to go outside if one player got tested positive, and how the whole series will get disturbed. What I am feeling, Australia management is not looking Indian players like animals in a zoo. They are just protecting and they are respecting the series, and they don't want to spoil this series, and they don't want to spoil their fans' enjoyment, and they want to restart the game, and they want to begin asking the fans to come to stadiums and enjoy the game. And we can understand how why Indian cricketers are feeling like that, because 6 months they are in quarantine and it's not that easy. Even we can't be in quarantine in 1 month without our families. And so BCCI have to motivate the team and to continue the test as per schedule, and think positive, and be quarantined and be safe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and comment and subscribe.